I travel a lot. A part of my travel is visiting various nerd stores just to see what's going on here. And here are 3 nerd stores from Sarasota, Florida. Let's check them out.
I don't know why I don't just do this when we're inside. Why do I gotta do it?
You don't get to see that, but you get to see mine. The Dark Side Comic and Game Shop was a treat to be in. When you enter, you are greeted by walls upon walls of comics. They actually filled tons of bookshelves with comics and manga as well. Near the back of the store, there were tables which you could game at. Bring your friends here with whatever tabletop game you want and have fun surrounded by Funko Pops and Dobby. It's the retro game section that caught my eye. Though it didn't have anything I was specifically looking for, Resident Evil, Pokemon, Silent Hill, etc., it still had some classic and vintage games. Stuff for Game Boy or PSP, and a few console-based games. They also had a few shelves for retro gaming accessories. Nintendo 64 controllers, GameCube controllers, some wired, some Bluetooth, some wireless. It's nice seeing a community that still serves the fans of older tech. They also have board games here too. And if figure painting is your thing, they have a section for that as well. Dark Side Gaming was the biggest store, comic-wise, I think I've ever been to. At this point, that isn't like a major chain. Descent is closed today on Monday, so we can't go there. Dark Side has tons of comics. Your Warhammer, Yu-Gi-Oh, your all that stuff. That place was divine. Don't make any unnecessary journeys! The Pokeballer's Mart. Check it out. It's in this, like, journey area here. We went in and bro was live streaming. Shout out to him though, because he had a YouTube play button. Aside from that, the place was really small, but had some great Pokemon cards on display. The wild card was Hobby Lobby. They had so many nerdy things here. You had puzzles, board games, cars, tech dad. Night vision goggles. And if cross-stitching and crocheting is your thing, they had sections for that too. Yeah.
I think that's my dad.
This is about as far as the nerdy content goes. Though the stuff here is kind of kitschy, I had a great time. One of the funniest things is we've gone to so many nerdy gamer stores, but we're having the most fun at Hobby Lobby. Don't stop now. You can get Dorito lipstick. Barbie bath bombs? But he's not grumpy. What's his name? It's like Downy or something.
It's not there.
All in all, I think it was a good range of stores to go to. I do wish we were able to hit Descent up, but unfortunately it was closed the day that we were there. Anyway, if you like this video and want more nerd store locations, I've got another video coming out. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.
Hey, subscribe. Hey, you know, subscribe. Please.